How to install and set up Tawkto live chat in WordPress. This tutorial assumes that you are already logged into the WordPress admin panel with admin user. Now let's learn how to install and set up the Tawkto live chat plugin in WordPress. Tawkto live chat plugin lets you monitor and chat with visitors on your WordPress site. This tutorial assumes that you have a registered account with Tawkto. Point the mouse on Plugins and then click on Add New Menu. In the Search Plugins window, search for Tawkto Live Chat. We have searched the plugin here. Now, click on the Install Now button. Great! You have successfully installed the Tawkto Live Chat plugin. Click on the Activate button in order to activate the plugin. The Tawkto Live Chat plugin is activated now. Now let's set up and configure the plugin. Click on the Settings option. You are on the Tawkto plugin settings page. Click on the Visibility Options option. Keep all the settings as it is, and then click on Account Settings option. Type in your registered email address and password. Click on the Sign In button. You are now logged into your Tawkto account. Click on the dashboard for further configuration of your Tawkto account. Finally, click the Save Changes button. That's it! You have successfully activated and configured the Tawkto Live Chat plugin. This is the end of the tutorial. You now know how to install and set up the Tawkto Live Chat plugin in WordPress.